Eggs are one of the most familiar foods in every family kitchen. But have you ever wondered if the eggs we buy are really clean? At first glance, eggshells may seem shiny, but hidden beneath that surface may be countless things invisible to the naked eye. Dust, dirt, chicken droppings, and harmful bacteria. To clean eggs, you need a large bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 liter of water. Then drop in 5 eggs. Stir gently to dissolve the salt evenly. Soak the eggs for about 2 minutes. After soaking for the required time, we use a cloth to gently wipe the eggs clean. When a hen lays eggs, the eggs must pass through a passage called the anus to be laid out. The cloaca is also responsible for excretion. Therefore, dirt on the surface of the eggs may include chicken droppings, feathers, and other contaminants. Now let's wash the eggs one more time to make sure they are really clean. One thing to note is that most people usually store eggs in the refrigerator. Therefore, before boiling, it's best to soak the eggs in clean water for about 10 minutes. This helps to balance the temperature, preventing the eggs from experiencing thermal shock when placed directly into boiling water. If eggs are not properly washed before cooking, these bacteria can penetrate inside, posing a risk of intestinal infections and even blood infections, especially in the elderly and children. After washing, arrange the eggs on a plate to drain the water. Tip 1. Boil eggs in an air fryer. First, prepare a bowl of water. I add a pinch of salt to it and stir well. Salt not only makes the eggs a little more flavorful, but also helps the whites set faster. Then, I crack 5 eggs into the bowl of water. When cracking the eggs, you should do it gently so that the yolks remain intact. The water will help the eggs retain their natural shape when cooked. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Next, place the bowl of eggs inside the fryer. Adjust the temperature to 170 degrees Celsius and set the time for 20 to 25 minutes. If you like soft, creamy yolks, you can check at the 20-minute mark. If you want them more thoroughly cooked, leave them for the full 25 minutes. Next, prepare 4 small glass bowls and crack 1 egg into each bowl. Next, use a whisk to beat the eggs until they are completely smooth. Prepare another glass bowl of the same size and pour an amount of milk into it equal to the amount of egg in one of the previous bowls. Then, pour the milk from each bowl into the respective egg bowls so that the ratio of milk to egg in each bowl is 1:1. This ratio will help the steamed eggs have a softer, smoother, and creamier texture. Continue stirring with a whisk until the milk and egg mixture is fully combined. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. At this step, you can add a pinch of salt to taste or include your favorite vegetables like green onions, cilantro, or finely chopped carrots. Then, gently stir one more time to ensure all ingredients are evenly mixed. Now, I place a pot on the stove and pour about 500 milliliters of water into it. I heat it until the water begins to warm up and tiny bubbles appear at the bottom of the pot. Gently place each bowl of egg mixture into the pot. The hot steam will help the eggs cook slowly, creating a soft and smooth texture. Be very careful to avoid splashing water into the bowls. Next, I cover the pot tightly and steam the eggs over medium heat for about 20 minutes. Throughout this process, you don't need to monitor the heat or worry about boiling water spilling out. The heat from the pot will gradually heat the water and cook the eggs slowly, creating soft and beautiful poached eggs. When the time is up, I gently open the pot and carefully remove the bowl because the water is still very hot. Use a spoon to scoop each egg onto a plate. The result is evenly cooked eggs with soft, smooth whites surrounding golden yolks. This dish can be enjoyed warm, served with bread, salad, or a little ground pepper to enhance the flavor. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. By now, the 20 minutes of steaming are up. I use tongs to carefully remove each glass bowl from the pot. Just look, the eggs are fluffy, soft, and glossy. When removing the eggs from the bowls, simply invert the bowl onto a plate, and the eggs will gently slide out in a beautiful, round shape, just like pudding. This dish isn't just creamy and rich, it's also very easy to eat and suitable for all ages. Fluffy, spongy eggs. First, prepare a large bowl and doy eggs. Crack the eggs into the bowl. Use chopsticks or a whisk to beat them thoroughly until the yolks and whites are completely blended, forming a smooth mixture. Next, place a skillet on the stove, add a little cooking oil, and heat until the oil is hot. Once the oil is sizzling, reduce the heat to low and gently pour the egg mixture into the skillet. You can use a spoon to spread it evenly. Fry the eggs until the bottom is golden brown, then sprinkle a little black pepper on top. Flip the eggs over. Sprinkle pepper on the other side and fry for a moment longer until fully cooked. Finally, transfer the eggs to a plate. Sprinkle with some herbs for extra flavor. Add a little spicy chili sauce, then cut and enjoy.